All right, I'm going to show you how to set up your voice control in your iPhone. So what you're going to do is go to Settings. You're going to go down to Accessibility. You're going to click on Accessibility. Then you're going to go down to Voice Control. You're going to click on Voice Control. Then you're going to go up here and you're going to hit that. Bam. And now you're done. Now you click out. All right, let's try it out. Ready? Open Facebook. Bam. There we go. Close Facebook. Well, that didn't work. Let's just close it. All right, let's try open mail. Bam. And I'm in my mail. All right. So that's how you do it. And then you got to figure out some of your different commands. But that's how you turn on your voice control on your iPhone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your iPhone. Peace out.